Hello everyone. Hala. Hello everyone. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa IHOP. Ang gulo ng buhok ko pa. Pupunta ngayon tayo sa IHOP, tapos manonood tayo ng movie. Tapos hindi na namin alam kung anong after. So see you sa IHOP.
Ayan.
Andito na tayo sa HOP.
Sabi ni Siri,
HOP.
Okay, dyan tayo magbe-breakfast, guys. Ay, masyadong blurry, no?
Ayun ang IHOP. Diyan kami kakain ng breakfast kasi hindi pa na-try ni Kat ang IHOP. And she wants to try it. So, we're gonna go here. Ayan, dito kami. Yun yung mga combos. I think I'm just gonna get a breakfast combo. But they're famous for their pancakes. Actually, I'm gonna get this one because Kat wants the breakfast combo. Here's my order. French toast and then just hash browns, egg, and bacon. And then this is Kat's, the breakfast sampler. Okay, so kakatapos lang namin kumain. Amoy kami. IHOP. Ang baho.
Amoy amoy yung
Itlog.
itlog na, or kaya yung ginigrill na ano.
Amoy oil.
Yeah.
It's so gross. Anyways, ngayon pupunta na kami sa movie. 10:20 ang movie namin. It's already 9:53.
10:30 kaya.
10:20. I checked kanina. Pero 7 minutes away lang from here yung theater. And di pa namin alam kung saan kami magpa-park.
So, kailangan na namin pumunta.
Yeah, kasi dapat magpa-park kami doon. Pero may bayad ata yung parking. Tapos dun sa sa theater na yun, malapit lang kaila Angelo. So we'll see kung dun kami mag-park. I don't know. I'm gonna check. Kasi baka i-reimburse naman yung payment. So we're just gonna drive now. Dito na kami sa parking. So nandito na lang kami kasi may reimbursement program naman sila sa yeah, sa sa theater. So first time naman dito actually. Maybe bayad mo na kami ng parking and then papa-reimburse natin sa taas. Yeah, bakit na kami para tayo nasa airport nito. Wow, what a beautiful sunny day here in New Westminster.
Wow.
Ayan ang landmark cinemas. Right beside the train station, ayan yung station. No?
First time pala namin dito.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin. Kasi lagi kaming sa Cineplex.
Yeah. Pero mura dito pag umaga ng Saturday. So, we are here. Ayan, dito kami. Wow, it's very brand new to us. Guys, ang laki pala nito. Akala namin onti lang.
Maliit.
Oo. Dami pala, no? Tapos kami rin tao. Ito yung entrance. Ayan.
Anong number?
Nasa Miniso kami after na ng movie ito. Ayan. Lang, titingin-tingin. Ang daming mga things din dito. Like this one. See? So cute. Tingnan mo to, oh. Look. You like this. Asa ka ba?
Oh, pero hindi na ganun yung natin.
Oo nga. Yung bibili ako nito kasi nagdadry talaga yung nose ko dun sa work. Humidifier. It's only $12. Ito kami ngayon sa New Westminster. Sa my waterfront. Dun sa River Sky Residences, I think it's called. Kasi we're visiting Angelo and what? Wala si Yondi ngayon kasi nasa competition siya. But, yeah, I'm just going back to the car to put the visitor pass. And going back upstairs. Hello! Good morning!
Kumusta yung tulog, ha? Kumusta yung tulog? Ano?
Oh my gosh, you're so big. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh my
Excuse me?
Oh my God! Ano? Maraming energy ang baby. Gusto niya yung position. May tantrums na siya. Like, paggalit siya, nangahampas siya.
Nahampas mo na si Mami.
Nag-ano siya?
Ano, parang sigaw, hindi iyak, like sigaw na galit. Like,
Parang ini.
Nagkaganon ka daw? Samia, stop taking videos of me. Eee, you're so cute. Hello. Hello. Congrats on the baby.
Good to see. Papa is here. Good to see. Mama is here. Good to see. Papa is here. Good to see. Tita Kat is here. It's good to see. Tita Kat is here.
Today.
They're sad.
No more putt-putt jumping on the bed.
Poor little putt jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
No more putt-putt jumping on the bed.
okay, hello, good morning. Hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kagabi kasi
wala, nakalimutan na natin.
nakalimutan na namin. So ngayon,
Sunday na.
Sunday, so labadami day, and nagawa ko ng champurado. Inaantay ko pa yung champurado na
Ay, nagbo-boil na siya. Ayun ang champurado. Well, it's gonna be champurado. Ganyan ka gulo ang aming apartment ngayon. And ako naman, ako ay maghihilamos tapos bibili ng milk dun sa evap, dun sa corner store. Kaya,
Nagdagan mo ng ano?
nang,
Ng tablet.
wala na ba?
Meron pa, dagdagan mo lang. Just in case.
Okay. Sige. Pili tayo ng tableya. Hilamos muna tayo. Okay, tayo ay aalis na. Mag-scooter tayo ngayong umaga para bumili ng evap. Alis na ako. Mag-scooter tayo. Scooter. Yeah. Ayun na, ito yung scooter natin. Hindi na siguro ako makakapag-vlog kasi paano naman ako mag-vlog? Guys, tignan nyo. So, mamaya na lang ulit pag siguro pag nandun na ako sa store. Wala akong dinalang bag. Saan ko ilalagay yun? Ay, stupid naman. Anyways, sige, labas muna ako. Kasi may stairs dito. Kailangan ko siyang kargahin. Hi guys. I'm on the scooter. It's kind of cold outside. Just a morning. Parang fall morning. But anyways, tinry ko lang. I don't want to keep going like this because it's kind of dangerous. So I'll see you there. Siguro I'll be there in like 2 minutes. So be fast. Yun yung scooter. Pag ano siya, it's going a certain speed, it stays at that speed. So we're gonna get. Okay, we made it home already. Here's our champurados, and then this is what I bought. And then we're gonna eat, and then after we eat, we're probably gonna buy pandesal. So mamaya na lang. There's my champurado. Ay, yung champurado na cat. Nandito kami ngayon sa gas station. And ang mahal-mahal ng gas. It's at 233.9 a liter. My God. Kaya tinitingnan namin kung ang expected is magtataas or bababa. Kasi kung magtataas, edi magagas na kami ng full tank. Kung bababa, onti lang. So we'll see. So since sabi ni Kat na wala pa daw prediction, magpapagas na lang tayo. Doesn't matter.
Yung trajectory ngayon wala pang ano.
Okay. Pagas na lang tayo. Let's see how much kasi super empty na yung tank namin. Dahil nga nag-long drive kami last week. And hindi naman kami masyado nag-drive during the week. Pero dahil nag-long drive kami last weekend, after nag-full tank kami na medyo naubusan siya ng gas. So, pupunuin na lang namin ulit. Sorry, ingay. And then, siguro titipirin na namin yung gas namin for 3 weeks. Instead of 2 weeks na usually namin. Kasi medyo mahal ang gas. Anyways, thankfully na long weekend ngayon.
Buksan ko muna kasi walang hangin.
Long weekend ngayon, kaya makaka-save tayo ng gas. Hindi tayo mag-drive to work. But anyways, I'll gas now. Okay, so this is what we paid for. $72. And grabe. Insane! $72.54 for a full tank. But it's not as bad as other cars, you know? Still pretty good. It's under $80. Pero oh my gosh.
Mahal?
Usually, this would be siguro mga 50, 45 ganyan. Anyways, sige, may drive na kami. Bibili kami ng pandesals. Okay, see you there na lang.
Pandesal!
We're here. Dito kami. Pinoy corner store. Pila tayong pandesal. Oh my God lang, para masarap ito. Ay, oo, yung wala ta.
Kasi I think mas kompleto sila. Magsisinigang ka ba this week?
Oo.
Ha? Ayan. So wala na tayo nito eh.
Look, here are the pandesals.
Super fresh.
Fresh.
Actually, mabilis maubos yung fresh pandesal.
True. That's good. Snack. Hello. Because it's already lunch and we haven't had lunch yet. Magla-lunch kami kasama ni Alex and Bea ngayon. Hanap tayo ng siluk.
Ay, nga masulog ngayon, no? Maghanap kami ng isang spread na paborito ni Kim, yung pimiento, pero
Wala sila.
wala sila. Isang muna kami. Lagi pala kami may ganito sa car. Ito. Kasi, wala. Just in case. Ayan.
Dapat pala binagalan ka pala.
Wow, ang ganda ng skies. Here's Kat. It's Alex and Bea.
Artista yan sila eh.
Yeah, si Bea Benene and Alex Gonzaga. Wow. Ganda.
Ang ganda din.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe, no? Grabe. The sky.
Alright, everybody!
Alright, everybody!
Ay, hanggang dun na lang tayo ngayon sa vlog na to. Happy Monday to everyone. And I hope that you guys had fun. Wala naman kami masyadong nagawa. Pero para ang filled ng day namin. Akala namin mga chill day lang. Pero, so, nag-pick up kami pinick up namin si Alex and Bea. And then, after nun, kumain kami sa Surrey. Tapos,
Originally, gusto sana namin magsulog yung kinakainan
Oo.
namin na Epic's Grill, pero sarado na sila.
pero may nahanap kami sa Surrey na masarap din. It's called Archie's. Sarap. Tapos, pagkatapos doon, mag-walk sana kami sa Central Park. Pero, nag-Costco kami. And then, wala, dami namin nakita doon. Tapos, nagantay kami ng chicken kasi pambaon bukas.
Bumili na rin sila Bea and Alex sa mga paunti-unti kasi gusto daw nila mag-try na mag-box sa Pilipinas.
Baka, ay, sinabi na ba nila yun? Kasi baka surprise tapos.
Oo, kasi nagtatanong sila, di ba, kung anong gusto.
Okay. Sana, kung surprise to, Bea and Alex, huwag nyo na lang send sa family niyo. Pero, after ng Costco namin, nagpunta kami ng Marble Slab, sikat na nag-drive starting there. And then, nag-walk kami sa my market crossing.
Yung Fraser River.
Ganda dun pag sunset. Ang ganda ng sunset tonight. And then now, we're just ending our nights with a movie and a little champorado snack. Tapos, yun na.
Totoo, kasi bukas work na naman. Guys, let us know kung gusto nyo yung daily vlog na
Yeah,
Kasi dati may daily vlogs kami. Like, weekly namin siya nilalabas. And then, every day, pinapakita namin, or yung mga highlights lang of the day.
Of the week.
Of the week, yeah. So, let us know kung may mga gusto kayong malaman, or kung curious kayo about dito sa Vancouver, or kung may mga questions kayo, let us know. And ita-try namin i-share sa inyo para at least naman may kayo, may
Totoo.
ideas.
Siguro sometime this week, mag-uusap kami ni Kat about why I moved to Vancouver from Calgary. So, I think that might be good too.
Totoo.
Tapos, yun. Anyway, salamat sa lahat ng nagsasubscribe at nanonood ng aming videos. I hope that you like it and that, parang may nakakasama kayo sa 15 minutes of your day at least. Diba?
Tsaka napapasyal namin kayo dito sa Vancouver.
Or samahan nyo lang kami sa mga ginagawa. Anyways, that's all. Thank you all for watching.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Yes, please like and subscribe or comment if you have anything to say to us. And see you next time. See you on Wednesday.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.